Established in 1998, Beston is a high-tech enterprise that focuses on scientific researching, manufacturing, composite servicing, and international exporting. Mainly producing waste solid recycling system like waste rubber plastic pyrolysis plant, used oil refining plant, pyrolysis carbon black grinding plant, biomass carbonization plant, and municipal waste sorting plant. Intelligent manufacturing is the way to change our life. 19 years of experience with continuously increasing of creativity, Beston is kept upgrading our team of researching and manufacturing devices. Using organic molecule pyrolysis tech and environment supporting devices, our plants will convey municipal solid waste, oil field waste, industry solid waste, and biomass waste into refined material which is ready for reuse. Beston is engineering for tomorrow's world under the guiding of wisdom and technology. Cooperating with Project Consult, Design Company, and Chemical Institute, Beston Company is trying to prove its concept with product quality and service spirit. High-efficient products and turnkey project enable us to make faster developing in international trading having clients from European, Korea, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, South American, and etc. Certified with CE and ISO. Beston is making the slogan, Engineering for Tomorrow's World, into reality. It is an era of rapid developing which needs more courage and talent. Beston is trying to remember every employee to learn, insist, and create to make a better future in environmental career.